What's up, you guys? It's Kyra and welcome back to my channel. So I promised you guys an updated skincare routine since I have changed up my routine since my last video. So here it is, and let's go ahead and get started. So this is my every morning routine, you guys. I do this every morning, and I mentioned before in a previous video that now I always double cleanse. So first and foremost, I always start off with the Philosophy MICRODELIVERY exfoliating wash. I love the little micro beads in it. It really scrubs your face and makes your face feel really clean, and also gets rid of any dead skin and just gives you a really nice glow. So after I use the Philosophy wash, I go in with the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. And this one is a really nice milky cleanser that, y'all, it feels like a lotion, but it shoots so much moisture into your skin that afterwards your skin feels so soft and just so smooth, and it feels so good. I love this hydrating cleanser, y'all. So after I dry my face and let it dry for a couple minutes, I go in with the Tarte Maracuja oil. I use this morning and night, and I have just been loving the way that this oil makes my skin feel. I actually do not get oily. I actually get less oily using this than anything else. It is amazing. And then after the oil, I always moisturize. I use the Glossier moisturizer if my skin is pretty normal, which I'm right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply that now. If my skin is super dry, I use the Sephora Instant Plus Moisture Cream. Both of these, you guys, are amazing. So I always moisturize my skin after I'm done with everything else. Now, once a week, I always typically will just like really treat my skin and focus on cleansing my pores, you know, smoothing my skin, all that good stuff. I always start off by steaming my skin. I just use the mini steamer that I got from Target, and I kind of just really hold it away from my face and just let that steam soak into my skin, and I hold it up there for about 5 minutes. After I steam, I always typically go in with the extractor. I like extracting right after steaming because at this point my pores are nice and open, and it actually makes extracting your pores 10 times easier. So I just use the extractor tool and honestly just cleanse out all the junk and gunk from my skin. So as you can see, I'm just kind of rubbing or rolling the tool across my face, and it actually extracts all of the white stuff from your pores. It's pretty gross, but it's actually amazing. After I extract everything, I do lightly go over my skin with the razor. Now I have been shaving my skin. Honestly, I just love the finish that it gives. It gets rid of all that peach fuzz and all that extra hair, and it also helps remove dead skin cells as well. So shaving your face just makes your skin really nice and smooth, and also really clear. After I've extracted and cleansed my pores and shaved my face, I typically go in with the BIORE charcoal cleanser. This is a deep pore cleansing cleanser, and so I always use this once a week, only once a week now because it did dry my skin out. But it's really great for purging those pores. Again, my pores are wide open after steaming, so it's the perfect time to use this cleanser. And my skin feels nice and refreshed and super clean, you guys. Okay, and then last step for the once a week routine is to apply a really nice face mask. I typically use the FREEMAN's Black Sugar and Charcoal Mud Mask, and I love this one because it's affordable. It focuses on purging the pores as well. So if you leave it on there for about 15 to 30 minutes, you'll see it completely dry up, and you'll also see it extracting any leftover oil or junk from your pores as well. It works amazing. It also tightens as well, so it's like 2 in 1. Okay? Of course, go ahead and rinse it off after it's completely dried, and make sure that your face is nice and clean. And at this point, you guys, your skin will feel like magic. Like, it'll feel super clean, super hydrated actually, and it'll just feel nice and glowy. And I also want to note that aside from these steps, I have been drinking lots of water and also getting regular chemical peels to achieve my clear skin. And then last but not least is my every night routine. I do this every night. You guys know that I have been loving the jojoba oil and double cleansing. I actually pre-cleanse with a oil at night and then go with the facial cleanser. Jojoba oil is a perfect moisturizing oil, and also oil tracks oil. So if you apply that to your skin first, it'll attract any excess oil and dirt from your skin and make your skin feel really nice and clean. After I do the oil, I go in with the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser in my Spin for Perfect skin brush. Cleanse my face with that and really get my skin nice and exfoliated, and it leaves a very nice clean finish. One thing that I've been doing recently that I didn't mention previously is toning. I do use a rose water toner and the Witch Hazel toner, and both of these combined really clean my skin of any leftover dirt. It also helps to refine my pores and cleanse my pores also, and just leaves my skin very, very nice and clean for the night. And I've actually noticed that I've actually been less oily throughout the day using these toners, so keep that in mind also, you guys. And then, of course, last but not least, I'm going to go in with my maracuja oil. Once again, I do use that day and night. And applying this right before bed gives my skin a chance to hydrate and also repair overnight so that we have a fresh, glowy skin in the morning. Alright, you guys, and that is it for my skincare routine. Don't forget to drink lots and lots of water, and I will catch you on my next video. Bye, guys.